Hello and welcome to our three-part tutorial series about how to make this gingerbread ornament. In this series, you will learn how to make a gingerbread ornament shape, which is the part 1, and on part 2, you will learn how to make these cutouts, which are subjective and according to your choice. And in the end, we are going to turn this ornament turn this design into an ornament, and you can find this design for free in my Creative Fabrica store. So this design is also laser ready, so this is free available now, and you can find it in my Creative Fabrica store, and the link will be in the description. Our gingerbread shape is ready, and now I will just make a copy of it by selecting it, hitting Alt and clicking it and dragging. So I have this save copy here. Now whatever I will do here, it won't affect this copy. So if I destroy this one, I will always have my save copy. So for now, I just look at the gingerbread man. They have like eyes and smile and these squiggly lines which define their hands and their legs. So for that, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to make eyes. So for that, I'm just going to change the color, select ellipse tool, just take an ellipse, hold shift and alt, make a eye like, so just make a simple round. They are very simple shapes, and so eyes are ready. Here you go. And just to make them right in the middle, I'll just select both of them, and I will first align to selection, make sure that they are vertically aligned, group them, and then align to artboard, which will align them right in the middle of this shape. So this is symmetrical. Now how to make a smile. So to make a simple smile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make everything bigger here and then adjust it to the size of this ornament. So for that, I'll just change the color so you see what's going on. I'll take an ellipse, hold shift and alt, click and drag, make a simple ellipse, change the color and make another ellipse with different color. So I'll choose another ellipse and make another ellipse with a different color, and I'll just align them by selecting align to selection, which only works on these two, and I will align them in the center. I'll bring this circle down a little bit, and I just want to drag them out, and that's it. So they are aligned. I will just select both of those, go to my pathfinder and choose minus front like that. So minus front, and here you go, the smile is ready. I'll just change the color, Control C, Control V, and this is the smile of the gingerbread person right here. And I will just make it a little bit smaller, and here you go, he's smiling. I'll keep this part here, check the alignment again, so everything is aligned. Now I want to make these squiggly lines on their hand and arms. So what to do for that? For that, I'm going to choose a new tool here, curvature tool, and what it does, it makes curve lines. So I'll just, now you can see beautiful Illustrator. This tool is amazing, and it makes the curve lines which I want in minutes, like this. And I will just change from fill to stroke. Here you go, my curvy line is ready. I'll make another one. So just simple circular shapes with this tool will be fine. Here you go. So the squiggly line are ready. I'll just increase the stroke width, go to object, expand. It will expand the stroke and change it into an object, unite, and I'll just keep it on the other side, bring this here and reduce the size. I've copied it and I'll adjust it to the hands like that. Now I want them to stay inside this area, so when they are cut, these lines will be inside this shape, so the shape will not be in two parts. And simply I'll bring this copy and paste here and adjust it to the size of the leg a little bit like this. And I'm sure that this have enough material, even if it's cut with wood or leather, it will hold its strength. Now very simply what I'm going to do is I will select both of those, object, expand, unite. This makes them into a group. I will right click on them, transform, reflect, copy and take them to the other side and hold shift so they stay in one place. Again, I will just want to make sure that they are exactly aligned. I will choose both of them. I will check their alignment by align to selection. I will go to object, expand, unite. Now this is a one object, and now I will select everything again, go to align to artboard like this and align everything to the center. So now this is a very symmetrical and beautiful shape. Now very simply I'll make the copy of this shape here, so I know that if I destroy this one, I'll always have my safe copy. Moreover, I want to build these buttons, like sometimes they have buttons, I want to build those. For that, very simply, I want to put 4 buttons sort of. So I'll take ellipse, draw an ellipse, and I will just keep copying them in the shape of a button shape or something like this, and I will just align them nicely so they look good by aligning to selection, which only works on these shapes. And here you go. So you will see what I'm doing. I will select everything, object, expand, unite. Now this is a one object, not 4 objects. I'll just Control C, Control V, copy and paste here. So, and I will make it smaller so it looks like a cute button. That's it. So this goes here, and again I will copy it. This goes here, and this goes here. So these are the one type of buttons which can be made. I will keep it simple. I'll just make circular buttons for now. So one, and I'll just copy, Control C, Control V, and Control V once again. So I have 3 copies, and these buttons are now ready. I will select everything again, align everything to the center. I'll choose these 3 buttons, go to align to selection and distribute them evenly, distribute object. So now they are distributed nicely. Align to artboard, again I will choose align to artboard, select everything, align everything to the center. Now this shape is almost ready. Now I will just select everything, go to Pathfinder, minus front. There you go. Your gingerbread cut file is almost ready.